Welcome back, boys and girls. Steve, Almetal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope. It is great. Get a call. I haven't been out here. He says 4 years. I don't know. We were just going over it, and it's been way more. But either way, they got a new dryer. So I won't be able to use my sealegend.net vacuum piece this time, but that's okay. There'll be another one. I'll be replacing this. Dryer's running. We got to take a airflow reading, but you guys can see it. So let's clean out the dryer. All right, well, first, if we're going to replace this anyway, let's take this out. Let's see. But only one way to find out. All right, let's see what we're pushing. All right, let's do it. All right, maybe there's more in here than I thought. battery does anything. Yeah, I can already hear a crazy difference. Man, I don't know if y'all hear, but this house is getting dive bombed by acorns. All right, and I can't put a bright white damper on, so this is seems to be a really good color, guys, especially on these darker brick houses. On the lighter brick, there are other shades, but I don't know. This espresso seems to be pretty good. Hopefully it sprays. And I don't have much left. I don't want to have to go to the store. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's no way it's gonna make it. Oh man, this sucks. Oh man, I mean, hey, a little collateral damage. That's all right. Oh, come on, dude. Oh man. I don't know if y'all hear all them acorns. This is like a battleground. I think I had enough. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, see, not too bad. Not too bad. Even if I did have to spray paint my hand. Nah. Okay. We gotta check that airflow. I'm gonna be going right now to drive this stuff. I can't make it perfect. All right, boys and girls, that's going to wrap this one up. Steve, Almetal Driving, almetaldriving.com. Check out my Periscope. It's great. What did we go from, I don't know, high 7s to 15 something? Not bad, guys, not bad. So until next time, I bid you farewell. Cheers. Cheers, cheers.